complete the four names and today's program will be closed. The fourth step, updance in spirit continuation forum initials in fourth rotation by the Chi-Spect name work. The Chi-Spect centers created in Kundalini source to disintegrate the fourth step, penetrated inner life, spiritual enjoyment source, and Antaratma Viguna sounds filled up Gautama in corresponding source and communicate spirit convert inserved dynamo possessions take place. The step in 213 lines scrapes per minute within Vakya Sutra possessions and electric currents passage formed within picture Inja ground formations formed by attitude source within tremendous willpower. It got excited, followed Aswalojya principle, revolved around triple aspect, filled in excitement using spirit decomposition by giving source formed within the temporarily vital power and turpentine matter following Vijnana Siddhis connected with Mandukya principle and giving tremendous waiterly powers in line of Bhrigu lift. It came out by 10,000 sparks blended and was unable to know the cause of the error, and Kundalini forces began to wonder why the action has to face failure while on the previous three creative dharmas it even present Prakriti creation in source have never faced such failures. And the karmic lodge, while it had also placed the physical body in great strength, given innumerable sources and disintegration, the Kundalini planetary source in opposition cognized how is that this body is giving such a tremendous obstruction. Now Kundalini began to wonder how much more obstruction it might have to face and decided to disintegrate, attacking the body by starting vigorous flight. Then Kundalini thought it should not leave the disintegration middle and completed the four centers created to keep the ground over the four steps so that no other new centers are allowed to enter into the ground formation and those steps till it returns from its struggle against the body and ordered those centers to act with great attention by finer developed souls within Kundalini source. And now it has giving them knowledge for further development, ordering four newly created centers. And the centers are Wu, A, Va, Ye, Te, Wo, Pa, Ri, Gi, and Pa, Ra, Tu. Now observe each working right from the Chi-Spect. Master MTA Namaskaram, Master CVV Namaskaram, Master's Adjustment, K Course 2, Division 33rd name, Chi-Spect working. Master MTA Namaskaram, Master CVV Namaskaram, Master's Adjustment, Chi-Spect, observe, Master MTA Namaskaram, Master CVV Namaskaram, Chi-Spect, Master Namaskaram. Please, Master. Namaskaram. Now the Kundalini has created 4 steps, and the first step is Wu A Va. Observe the first step. Newly created center working. To keep on disintegrating the remaining 4 steps, and human songs centers were created to disintegrate the body, while Kaispect was ordered to keep giving support to 4 centers in their work of disintegration of the step formation. Now, human songs began to disintegrate the body. Out of 4 divisions created, 4 centers, the first center, the fourth, 34th name, one of the first of the 4 centers, Wu A Va. Master MTA Namaskaram, Master CVV Namaskaram, Master Adjustment, Wu A Va. Wu A Va. Observe. Master FTA Namaskaram, Master CVV Namaskaram, Kundalini formed first of the 4th centers working. Wu A Va. Wu A Va. Master's adjustment, Master Namaskaram. Please, Master. Namaskaram. Ida down center working we observed. Now we will work observe the second of the 4th centers created by the Kundalini working. A Tha O. A De O. Observe. Master MTA Namaskaram, Master CVV Namaskaram, Master Adjustment. A De O. A Thai O. Observe. Master MTA Namaskaram, Master CVV Namaskaram, A, Thai, O, A, Thai, O, Master's adjustment, Master Namaskaram. Please, Master. Now, Pingala bottom working, we observed the center of second centers of the fourth centers, Pingala bottom or right side deep center working observed. Now the third center out of the fourth centers, Pa, Ri, Gi. Master MTA Namaskaram, Master CVV Namaskaram, Master's adjustment, Pa, Ri, Gi. Pa, Ri, Gi. Observe. Master MTA Namaskaram, Master CVV Namaskaram, Master's adjustment, Pa, Ri, Gi. Pa, Ri, Gi. Master's adjustment, Master Namaskaram. Namaskar. Kundalini's third disintegrating center, Parigi. Kundalini's right side upper portion or Kundalini's Pingala, right Pingala. That is right side upper portion of the Pingala Nadi. And the fourth of the fourth centers, Paratu. It observes, it is like Kundalini fighters working, it appears like that, disintegrating the body system as per the Kundalini orders, the fourth center working, Paratu. Observe. Master MTA Namaskaram, Master CVV Namaskaram, Master's adjustment, Pa-Ra-Tu. Pa-Ra-Tu. Observe. Master MTA Namaskaram, Master CVV Namaskaram, Master's adjustment, Pa-Ra-Tu. Pa-Ra-Tu. Master Namaskaram. Please, Master. Namaskaram. We observed the fourth of the Kundalini's newly formed centers, disintegrating centers, Paratu, that is left side upper portion of the Kundalini, or Ida Kundalini's left upper Ida center working. Now, the last time we observed these are all centers to keep disintegrating the remaining four steps, and Heman Sang's centers were created to disintegrate the body, while Kaispect, the previous, that is 33 name centers workings, was ordered to keep giving support to the four centers now we have practiced in their work of disintegration of the step formations. Then Heman Sangs began to disintegrate the body. Body disintegration by the unnecessary centers were disintegrated by the Kundalini centers. Thank you, friends. Today, I think we have observed the workings right from 9 o'clock to 1 o'clock. Thank you for the patience and observation. We will meet tomorrow in the evening prayer.